Hi everyone. Today we will talk about idiopathic retroperitoneal fibrosis. In this smart art, we describe definition of retroperitoneal fibrosis. Here we are concentrated upon key characteristic of RPF. Causes of retroperitoneal fibrosis are idiopathic or secondary, as seen here. Signs of retroperitoneal fibrosis on intravenous urography. In this smart art, we discuss radiological signs of retroperitoneal fibrosis on computed tomography imaging. In this smart art, we conclude the final differential diagnosis of retroperitoneal fibrosis.